Good morning, my dear friends. I am E. Govardhan, lecturer in chemistry, general section, Government Polytechnic Vaddepalli, dealing in semester is second semester. Subject Engineering Chemistry and Environmental Studies 2. Subject code 18 common 204 F. Topic Polymers. Subtopic is preparation and uses of polythene and also PVC. Teaching aids I have used PPT, PPTs and also photographs. See here. To understanding purpose, I have given one image here. PVC electrical conduits, polythene wire cable, polythene bags. So these material prepared by plastics, right? So specific plastic we don't know, but all these type of plastics prepared by polymers. Okay, so it is Bakelite example, right? Now today's class, we are going to discuss the preparation methods and uses of polyvinyl chloride, polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, and also polyethylene, or we can say it is polythene, polyethylene or polythene. Uh, these two polymers preparation and also uses we are going to discuss in this class, right? So to know preparation and uses of PVC and also polythene, first of all we should know some basics, right? So see here, insulation on electric wires, right? Conduit pipes used for electrical wiring, conduit pipes used for the telephone cables. Already you know all the things. These are materials used in making up the following articles, right? So so insulation on electric wires. And also pipes electrical wirings, pipes used for telephone cables, all are prepared by plastics or polymers. So these are examples for the plastics, right? So for see here, where is it? Insulation on electric wires we used polyethylene. Okay, conduct pipes used for electrical wiring we used PVC. That conduct pipes used for telephone cables we used high density polythene. So these are examples to understand the PVC and also polythene, right? So and also we use some plastic buckets, water bottles, plastic covers we use in daily life. These materials, so these prepared by plastic buckets prepared by polythene, that is low density polythene. Next, water bottles prepared by polycarbonate, and also finally plastic covers prepared by polyethylene PVC blends. So these are very familiar. We are very familiar with these examples. So from this basics we can know preparation of the polythene, right? So it is a polymer. It is a right? Not thermosetting. It is a polymer on heating soft and also cooling hard. This is the polythene. It is called thermopolymers, right? So in polythene, monomer is ethylene. Which is the monomer? Ethylene is monomer. Ethylene means CH2 double bond CH2. Two carbons and also four hydrogens, one double bond between the carbons. That is the ethylene. So ethylene is a monomer. Polyethylene means the combination of the ethylene molecules or monomers, they form polyethylene, right? So heating ethylene to 250 degrees centigrade at 1000 to 2000 atmospheres. Heating ethylene to 250 degrees centigrade at 1000 to 2000 atmosphere. So these are preparation methods. Heating ethylene to 250 degrees centigrade at 1000 to 2000 atmospheric pressure in presence of oxygen gives the polythene. So polythene preparation is heating ethylene at temperature is 250 degrees centigrade. Atmospheric pressure is 100 to 1000 to 2000 atmospheric pressure. In presence of oxygen gives polyethylene. This is the preparation of the polythene. In these conditions, ethylene units are added to one another to give addition polymer. So in these conditions, ethylene units are added to one another to give addition polymer. Right? This is the polyethylene preparation. So note down that points. Okay, this is polythene. I think you have noted down. Right. See your chemical reaction for the polythene. Already know monomer is ethylene. So polymer preparation is N. I'm taking number of molecules. N number of molecules. It's maybe more than 1000 or 2000 or 1000 or 500, 600. Say we can see in next slide. See here polythene preparation. Just now we discussed only theoretically. Now I am writing here equation. N moles of CH2 double bond CH with ethylene in number of molecules. Now going addition polymerization. Now it is forming polythene. Polythene means bond CH2 bond in bracket n number of units. So this is called polythene. Polyethylene means polythene. So depend on the number of units joined to 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 grade of polythene, two grades of polythene, right? Depend on the number of units joined, two grades of polythenes are there. LPDE, right? Low density, low n value, and also HDPE, high n value are prepared. So this now polythene classified into two types: LDPE, low density polyethylene, HDPE, high density polyethylene preparation takes place. Right? Note down this equation. Okay, here bond CH2. So there is two molecules in bracket in number of units. So it is polyethylene. So it is classified into LDPE and also HDPE. Now uses of polythene, right? So how we are using polythene? Flexible bottles, right? So many different types of bottles prepared by the polythene. Next to blood bags. So blood bags also prepared by polythene. Some toys also prepared by polythene. Seeds for packing. So packing seeds also prepared by polythene. Seeds for packing and also cables and cable conduits. Cables and also cable conduits also prepared by polythene. Next, kitchenware and also domestic appliances prepared by polythene. High frequency insulators also prepared by polythene. These are the uses of polyethylene. Note down. Okay, these are polythene uses. Flexible bottles, blood bags, ties, seats for packing, cable and cable conduits, kitchen and domestic appliances, high frequency insulators. These are polythene uses. Okay, see here image for the polythene PVC polyethylene images. See here. So in polythene, ethylene is a monomer. Ethylene formula CH211CH2. Heating ethylene at 250 degrees centigrade. Pressure is 1000 to 2000 atmospheric pressure. In presence of oxygen, gives polyethylene. Right. So in these conditions, ethylene units are added one another, giving polymer. Here I have written polyethylene chemical reaction and also discussion. Now uses of the polythene, right? So polythene uses flexible bottles, blood bags, ties, seats for packing, cable and cable conduits, kitchen and domestic appliances, high frequency insulators, right? So this is image of the polythene, right? So note down this already you noted down. Okay, no problem. Now polyvinyl chloride (PVC). Polyvinyl chloride (PVC). Vinyl chloride is monomer in polyvinyl chloride. In polyvinyl chloride, vinyl chloride is monomer. Vinyl chloride formula is CH2 double bond CH bond Cl. If you remove one hydrogen, it is replaced by Cl. That is called vinyl chloride. CH2 double bond CHCl. Right. So addition polymerization of vinyl chloride in presence of benzoyl peroxide or hydrogen peroxide catalyst under pressure, that is called vinyl chloride. So we can write reaction also. Sorry. N moles of CH2 double bond CHCl. Next, in moles of CH2 double bond CHCl, it is converting by addition polymerization bond CH2 bond CHCl in number of molecules. So this is polyvinyl chloride. This is the preparation of PVC. Polyvinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride is a monomer. Vinyl chloride formula is CH2 double bond CHCl. Addition polymerization of vinyl chloride in presence of benzoyl peroxide or hydrogen peroxide catalyst under pressure. We are preparing polyvinyl chloride. Note down. Okay, this is PVC preparation. Next, see PVC. PVC is a brittle plastic. It is somewhat brittle plastic. It can be made soft by mixing with plasticizers. So we are increasing softness by using plasticizers. So PVC is of two grades, rigid and also plasticide. Now PVC divided into two classifications. So first grade is rigid and also second one is plasticizer. So these are the important uses of the polyvinyl chloride PVC. See here specialized, right? So see here PVC uses, once again note down these all points. Polyvinyl chloride uses, note down. PVC uses, it is also used in electrical insulation for covering of electrical cables, and also it is used in production of pipes, seats and module parts. Next, tank linings, motor parts and also safety helmets. The production of ties, tool handles, etc. also used by prepared by this PVC. It is also used to making coats, jackets and also bags. These are the uses of polyvinyl chloride. Right. So once again I'm repeating, uses of PVC: electrical insulation for covering of electrical cables, the production of pipes, seats and also mounted parts, tank linings, motor parts and also safety helmets, the production of ties, tool handles, etc. It is also used for making coats, jackets and bags. Okay, note down the points. Right, these are the uses. See here preparation: polyvinyl chloride PVC. Vinyl chloride is monomer. Vinyl chloride, CH2 double bond CHCl. It is the monomer formula. Addition polymerization of vinyl chloride in presence of benzoyl peroxide or hydrogen peroxide catalyst under pressure. We are using catalyst for this reaction. So here reaction, see here, N CH2 double bond CHCl, bond CH2, bond CHCl, n number of molecules. This is called PVC preparation. Polyvinyl chloride, it is a brittle plastic. It can be made soft by mixing with plasticizers. So PVC is of two grades, rigid and also plasticizer. Okay, PVC uses safety helmets, light fittings, trays, refrigerators, components. We are preparing, and also packing appliances, raincoats, tablecloth, shoes, soles, PVC foam as a insulator linings. These are the other uses. Note down these uses. Right, these are PVC uses. See here, this is a helmet prepared by PVC, polyvinyl chloride. See this speaker. Okay. So up to now we discussed polythene is made by addition polymerization of ethylene. Two grades of polythene is there. One is LDPE. LDPE means low density polyethylene, and also high density polyethylene depend on degree of polymerization. Next, PVC is made by addition polymerization of vinyl chloride. Okay. So these are the summary points. So before going to the summary, so I have given important points. Let us see once again from the preparation of the plastic also, preparation of the polystyrene also. Not sorry, polythene also. See here, these electrical candidates prepared by PVC. This is polythene wire cable images. First in class also I have shown polythene bag. This is also prepared by polythene bakelite. Okay, right. So polythene it is a polymer prepared by addition polymerization. In this monomer unit is ethylene. Ethylene formula is CH211CH2. Heating ethylene to 250 degrees centigrade at 1000 to 2000 degrees atmosphere. Sorry, 1000 to 200 atmosphere pressure in presence of O2 gives polythene. Right. In these conditions, ethylene units are added to one another to giving addition polymer. Right. Once again, I'm repeating. Why? Because it is very complicated. Polythene. Polythene means N CH2 double bond CH2. It's giving bond CH2 bond N in bracket CH2 CH2. So it is a polythene formula. Polythene classified LDPE and also HDPE. Right. So uses flexible bottles preparation, blood bags, ties, seeds for packing, cable and cable candidates, kitchen and domestic appliances, high frequency insulators. Example, see here image, water bottles, polyvinyl chloride PVC. Vinyl chloride is monomer. Vinyl chloride formula is CH2 double bond CHCl. It is also addition polymerization of vinyl chloride in presence of benzoyl peroxide or hydrogen peroxide catalyst under pressure. So this is the way of preparation of PVC. Here vinyl chloride means NCH2 double bond CHCl. Now double bond breaking takes place, new bond formation takes place. It is polyvinyl chloride preparation. These PVC also have two categories: rigid category and another is plasticized category. Okay, it can be made soft by mixing with plasticizers. Uses of PVC. It is used in preparation of the safety helmets, light fittings, trays, refrigerator components, packing, raincoats, tablecloth, shoe soles, PVC foam as insulator linings. These are uses of PVC. See here, specialized helmet. This is made by PVC. Okay, I hope you understood very well. Next, and also second time I'm discussing summary points also. Polythene is made by addition polymerization of ethylene. Two grades of LDPE and also HDPE depend on degree of polymerization. PVC is made by addition polymerization of vinyl chloride. So this is the today's class. Now, and also other points of the summary. Polyethylene is used for making flexible appliances like toys, wires, and cables. Bakelite is used for making electrical switches, plugs, and also switchboards. So bakelite it's not a example for the addition polymerization. Sorry. PVC is used for safety helmets, refrigerator components, and also packing and pumps. Note on these points. Note on these points. PVC use PVC is used for safety helmets, refrigerator components, packing, and pumps. Note on that points. Right, these are summary points. Next quiz questions see here. First question: Artho and para hydroxy methylol benzene and reaction form bakelite. Already we discussed in last class. Okay. Next, phenol and formaldehyde and polymerization form a plastic known as. This is also bakelite hydroxymethyl. So frequently asked questions. Name the monomer used for the preparation of polythene, bakelite and PVC. How is polythene is prepared? Mention it uses. How PVC is prepared? Mention it uses. Right. So these are the questions which are present in this chapter. Okay. Right. And also we discuss preparation of the bakelite also. See here, bakelite also another plastic. So up to now we discussed polythene and also PVC. Next to bakelite. So we have only flow diagram for preparation of the bakelite. So bakelite preparation is in three steps. First step is formation of monomethylol phenols. Second step formation of novalac. Next to third step formation of bakelite. Right. So see here phenol plus formaldehyde first step in presence of H2SO4. Okay. In presence of H2SO4 in presence of temperature, it is converting ortho or para hydroxyl methyl benzene. By losing of water molecules, its formation novalac intermediate. This novalac converting as a bakelite. This is also another plastic. Okay. So see here in bakelite preparation, phenol and formaldehyde condense to form methylol phenols. Methylol phenols react to form a linear polymer called novalac. It is a intermediate. Novalac on heating forms a three-dimensional cross-linked polymers called bakelite. So this is the bakelite preparation. See examples for the bakelite switchboard, buttons and telephone and also bangles. These are examples for the bakelite materials. Okay. See, so third plastic that is bakelite. So phenol plus formaldehyde first step, ortho or para-hydroxyl methyl benzene formation second step, novalac third step. Finally we got bakelite. Right? This is the bakelite preparation. Examples uses of bakelite. So preparation of the switchboards, buttons and also ties, bangles, other bangles. So that is the bakelite formation. Okay. So PVC safety helmets. So see here quiz question. First, ortho and para hydroxyl benzenes on reaction form. So which one? So novalac formation takes place. Next, phenol plus formaldehyde and polymerization form a plastic known as it is a bakelite. Right, these are the frequently asked questions. Name the monomer used for the preparation of polythene, bakelite, and PVC. How is polythene is prepared? Mention its uses. How PVC is prepared? Mention its uses. What is Novalac? How it can be converted to Bakelite? To distinguish between the rigid PVC and also flexible PVC. So these are the important questions on preparation of plastics, PVC, and also polythene. Next to Bakelite. Okay. So up to now we discussed preparation of PVC, preparation of polythene and also bakelite uses. Next class we are going to discuss remaining next plastics, polystyrene and also urea formaldehyde, Teflon. Remaining three plastics preparation and uses we are going to in next class. Discuss in next class. Okay. Thank you all of you.